Adding, addition of 4 or more digit numbers. When adding big numbers together, we use columns. 1523 plus 3458. Make sure you line the numbers up in the right columns. If the number includes a comma, we can ignore it. So 1, 5, 2, 3 and 3, 4, 5, 8. Now we start adding from the ones column. 3 plus 8 is 11. If the addition goes over 10, we carry the 10 to the next column and write the ones number, the 1. Now the next column, 2 plus 5, and we need to remember to add the 1 that we've carried over. 2 plus 5 plus 1 equals 8. Now the next column, 5 plus 4 equals 9. And finally, 1 plus 3 equals 4. So we have a total of 4,981. Read the question carefully to understand what it's asking you to do. There are 5,472 pebbles on the beach. The sea washes another 2,679 pebbles onto the beach. How many pebbles are now on the beach? What's the question asking you to do? Add 5,472 and 2,679, all the pebbles together. We write the numbers into our columns and then start adding from the ones. 2 plus 9 equals 11. We write the ones 1 and carry the 10 forward. Then 7 plus the 1 carried forward equals 15. We write the 5 and carry the 1 10 forward. 4 plus 6, our number bonds for 10, plus the 1 carried forward is 11. We write the 1 and carry 1 forward. Now 5 plus 2 plus the 1 carried forward is 8. So in total there are 8,151 pebbles on the beach. Read the question carefully. You need to choose the right information. A sports shop has 3,865 red caps, 1,132 blue caps and 6,040 white caps. In total, how many red and white caps does the sports shop have? What's the question asking you to do? Add the red caps, 3,865, and the white caps, 6,040 together. We don't add the blue caps. So let's write our numbers in the columns, 3865 and 6040. Now we can add. 5 add 0 is 5. 6 add 4, our number bonds is 10. We write a 0 and carry the 1 forward. 8 plus 0 plus the 1 carried forward is 9. And finally 3 plus 6 equals 9. So there are 9,905 red and white caps in total. Sometimes you're given the information you need in a picture. What numbers replace the letters in the addition? Take one column at a time. 0 plus A equals 0. So A must equal 0. Now the next column. B plus 2 equals 7. So B equals 7 minus 2, which is 5. The next column is done and the final column, thousands, 7 plus 1 equals C. 7 plus 1 equals 8, so C equals 8. Sometimes questions will include units. A road is 15,078 metres long. It's extended by 8,439 metres. What's the new length of the road? What's the question asking you to do? It's saying add the two lengths together, 15,078 and 8,439. We just add the numbers as normal and then include the right units in our answer. Let's line the numbers up in the right columns and then we can add starting from the right. 8 plus 9 is 17. We write the 7 and carry the 1 forward. 7 plus 3 is our number bonds to 10 plus the 1 carried forward is 11. Write 1 and carry 1 forward. Then 0 plus 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 8 equals 13. We write the 3 and carry the 1 forward. Then 1 plus the 1 carried forward equals 2. So the length of the road is 23,517. Don't forget the units, it's metres. Remember, when adding big numbers together, it's often easier to use columns. Read the question carefully to understand what it's asking you to do. If units are involved, add the numbers as normal and remember to include the right units in your answer.